Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking color fastness and collecting tools. That keeps you from making new problems. Mix 1/2 cup mild detergent in cool water, then gently dab a hidden area to confirm no bleeding. Once done, lay the gown flat and shield the lining with cloth or cardboard so steam won't scorch it. Use a handheld steamer or spray bottle to mist the hard net lightly, and then let the fibers relax for a few minutes. This is the crucial first step that makes later reshaping possible. Now you move into the detailed work. Apply short bursts of steam while you softly brush the net to open the mesh. Heat too long will set stiffness, so be cautious. Make measured stretches and pin each corrected panel to a pattern or mannequin to hold shape. Then place tiny running stitches where the net folds or pulls to lock the new edge into place. If you find small holes or thick knots, patch with matching net and fine clear thread, because a discreet repair preserves volume and flow. Finish by leaving the gown to air dry completely on a dress form or flat surface. Make sure you keep the corrected shape pinned lightly while drying. Once dry, press very gently from the inside through a protective cloth at the lowest safe setting to set the reshaped net. If stiffness returns, repeat the gentle soak with an enzyme-based cleaner, then reshape and dry. If it still stays hard, you should consult a professional conservator or seamstress to avoid damaging delicate fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.